For New York City, surrounded by the East River on one side, the Hudson River on the other, and the New York Harbor to the south, rising sea levels spell big trouble. And the devastation from Hurricane Sandy in 2012 was a wake-up call. Seth Pinsky, who was tasked by the city's former mayor, Michael Bloomberg, to create strategies for New York to adapt to extreme weather, says it's imperative that the city protects itself and prepares for changing tides.
The value of what we have to protect is so high. New York is a city with a massive economy. It's a city with incredible in-place infrastructure. And so when a weather event happens here, the damage that it does is at a greater scale than in other places.
Last year, New York spent more than any other major city in the world to adapt to climate change, according to the UK's University College London, forking out $2.2 billion, more than what London, Paris and Beijing spent in the same period. And that's just for 1 year, a fraction of what the city expects to spend over the next few decades as it braces for a long-term weather forecast that looks rather bleak. And despite this beautiful, clear day, the expectation is for more frequent and intense rainy days, heat waves and flooding. Plans in play include a $19.5 billion storm protection strategy involving tidal gates, beachfront walls and retrofitting buildings to withstand extreme weather events, and a goal to cut emissions by 80% come 2050. But Professor Klaus Jacob, geophysicist at Columbia University, says these measures only focus on the short to medium term.
50 years, 80 years at most. But as time progresses and sea level keeps rising, there will have to be a vision how we configure this whole city, which is not just protecting it with seawalls and levees and pumping stations. We will have to move certain populations out of certain areas.
Liling, CCTV, New York.